Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Taco Bell beef soft tacos. To a bowl, add 1 pound of lean ground beef. Add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried minced onion, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of garlic powder. Now get in there and mix it up with your hands. And don't worry, I washed my hands 2 weeks ago. Now that's all mixed up, we're going to set it aside to a pan over medium heat. We're going to add our ground beef mixture and a 1/2 cup of water. Get in there and break the meat down. You want to get that water mixed in with the meat really well. Now as it cooks, you want to keep breaking the meat up. You want to cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until the meat's brown. You want the meat to be nice and smooth, no big chunks, and a little somewhat pasty, which we're there. So now it's time to cut off the heat. Now you want 12 6-inch tortillas. We're going to microwave them for about 20 to 30 seconds or until warm. Now that our tortillas are warm, it's time to assemble. You want to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of meat. Sprinkle on some lettuce. And then some shredded cheese. And with it storming outside, it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. I didn't know any better. I thought it was Taco Bell. Now to make a supreme taco, just add some diced tomatoes and sour cream. And thanks to Jackery, not a sponsor. Power's out, but my camera and the lights are still on. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.